Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can import Google Documents into Notion. So, first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have a Google document in mind that you want to take and import into Notion. Then you're going to click inside of Notion and make sure you can see the prompt where it says write or press space for AI /for commands. We're going to hit the / key on our keyboard and we're going to type in Google Doc, and then you're gonna go all the way down to the bottom. This is a newer feature. You're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna be let me go back a step. You're gonna be prompted to this screen. Now, from here, if your Google Docs has not been set up through anything else you would have done, it's going to ask you to do so. So you'll go down here and click on Google Docs, and then there's going to be a menu, and it's going to ask if you want to connect a Google account. You'll connect a Google account and then go through giving the permissions for it to connect, and then it will bring you up to this screen where you're going to be able to go and pick any of the documents that you have saved inside of your Google Documents. So I'm just going to go through and pick a random one, and then you're going to import it. The length it takes to import will depend on how much information is in the document. So it may take longer depending on the size. And then you'll see that we now have this little navigation button. And this has created a sub page. If we hover over it, we can see the content that is in it. And then if we click on it, we are going to be able to see that everything that was in our Google document has now transferred over into Notion. So that is how you import Google Docs into Notion. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.